Hello everyone and welcome back to another siege battle. Before I turn the camera around and we go over the army comps and who's in the game and everything like that. If you've ever watched a replay before, you have a replay of your own that you saved because you thought it was good and then you went back and watched it, you'll know. Pardon me, I'm putting a cough drop in my mouth. You'll know that even if there's, let's say, a 3v3, that your army is going to be the one that's displayed on the screen, right? So you got the map in the middle of what settlement you're attacking, or what where you're fighting your land battle, or whatever, what have you. And then on either the right and left side, you'll be able to see at least one faction from each side and their loadout, right? So I want to say, when I tell you I cackled like a maniacal psychopath when I saw Masacely's loadout, and then when it dawned on me what the other two factions were, I already knew what I was getting myself into. Wholly and completely, I knew what was coming. So, this replay is sent in to us by Eric. Eric is commanding Masacely, and he is joined... I mean, the gruesome twosome has turned into a terrible trio here. By Starkiller 556, who's playing as Seleucid, and Billy T. Sherm, who's playing as Bactria. They are up against Kingslayer, who's playing as Egypt. Clan Tag Blues, and then his name is Commando Jenkins as Athens, and then Darkz, D-A-R-K-Z, playing as Rome. So let's show you, shall we? Can we show you? We'll show you. And this is an 18-minute and 22-second battle. Keep in mind that the defending factions that I said are Masacely, Seleucid, and Bactria. We have Bactrian Noble Horse, Bactrian Royal Cav, got some Bactrian Royal Guard as a gem, Heavy Numidian Skirmishers, love this unit, and then we have just so many chariots. Oh my fucking god, dude. That's that. Okay, yeah, lots of char. How about I don't know, a shitload of elephants and light cav from both Bactria and Seleucid, including some Megama cav. Oh, what's that? It doesn't end there. Numidian light infantry, Numidian riders, light infantry. Oh man. I should just expect from now on, and granted not all the time, but whenever Eric sends me a replay, that the defending team or the attacking team is most likely going to get a lot of elephant shit and horse shit spread around on their troops' dead corpses. Alright, let's go over the attackers' army comps, and then we'll get this soon-to-be massacre underway. So it looks like we got a bunch of Galatian swords from Egypt. Correct, yep, some Egyptian cav, Galatian Royal Guard, side chariots of their own, more Galatian swords, lots of Galatian swords actually, African War Elephant Gen. We don't know where their archers are, so we have to assume that maybe they're back here, in here, or over here. No artillery that I can see. Athens has brought with him, let's see, we got militia hoplites, light hoplites, thorax swords, hoplites, thorax swords, mercenary Thracian warriors, Picked hoplites. Thorax hoplites? Yep. And hoplites. Athens might fare a little bit better, but even still. And then, oh no, Rome. Rome has brought with him 3 socialite equites, general and bodyguard, vigiles, and then what do we got? We got Praetorian. Tell me. Okay, so it's just 2 Praetorians. Legionary cohort, and cohort, yeah. And then again, we have to assume that maybe the rest of his army is in here, where his archers are. How many? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So he has 9 units hiding somewhere else. 4 of which are possibly archers. So 9 minus 4 is what? 5. So then he has 5 other units. Right? Yeah. No. 6. I don't know. I'm bad at math. Alright. Let's, Jesus fucking Christ. Alright. Let's go. Can you imagine? Can you please just imagine being the fucker? Alright, yeah, here first. Egyptian Cav. I don't know, man. They might fare okay here. I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. There's their archers. Nubian bows back over here. If he could send a unit of chariots out real quick through the back over here, he might be able to catch the archers off guard. Oh, nope, never mind. Send in your elephants to help. I mean, that's honestly the best thing that you could possibly do. Rider's gonna get in here. Light Cav gonna get in here too, maybe to help. Ooh, yep, it just skirted by. So you can kiss Egypt's archers goodbye for sure. 100%. Elephants had made their way out. They're on their jabbies with elephants, or just the chariots actually. Chariots are already up to 67 kills, 80. Be careful. Rome hasn't run into any problems yet. Yet being the key word here. And like they just keep pouring out. It is so crazy, dude. Oh my god. So archers, medium. They're losing actually. Glacial swords over here. What do you get? Just all Nubian bows? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Rise to 105. Light infantry doing what they can. I didn't really expect them to win. Yeah, pull these guys out. Sure. And Bactria squaring up with Athens. Hold them off. Like Bactria's going to try and get over here, maybe charge into Athens and get them off. I mean, not that way. Not, I get them off of the towers. Not, I didn't finish the sentence. Here we go. Oh boy. These militia hoplites are just not, oh man. Come on, keep going, get these guys, There you go. And there you have it. Forward! Chariots have now charged. Look at that. Jesus Christ. It is just plummeting. Absolutely plummeting. Gone. Now they're just going to ride through. And get these guys. Holy shit, dude. Holy. What the fuck? Did you see that? They just ran through and didn't do nothing. What is that? What is that? That's bullshit. It's because they're like the siege galleys like are fucked kinda sometimes. And they don't like. Not that they don't work, but they allow some pretty fucking weird shit like this to happen. So he's like charging his chariots through, and nothing's happening. Is it because they're in the galleys? That is interesting. Oh, there's the rest of the army. What do we got? Just a bunch of spears and legionary cohort. I don't think he brought any fucking archers with him. Alright, what's going on over here? Egypt looked like Egypt's basically fucked. Yeah, Egypt is fucked. Athens is having a terrible day right now, too. They might have a couple units in here, but that ain't gonna mean shit. Especially against the Bactrian Royal Guard and the Numidian skirmishers. Forget it. Oh no. This sucks. They got the cab over there.
As you command. As you wish.
It's insane though that it wasn't doing any damage while they were in the galleys.
As you say.
Shit. I mean, definitely got some of them did really well, but others, unfortunately. I mean, if he's lucky, these two units will come back, and then he can charge them right into the general. He only has 2 chariots left. I'm like kind of low-key mad that the galleys like protect these guys for whatever fucking reason. But seriously, kind of pisses me off. Oh shit, Athens is fucking done for over here. Egypt also done for over here. I mean, what do they have left? They got some Galatian swords, Galatian Royal Guard. That's about it, really. They ain't got much of nothing else. And they still have artillery. Like, they haven't used any of their artillery yet, either. Amazing that a depleted unit of Bactrian light horse has managed to defeat some light hoplites. Oh, and this chariot's got absolutely wrecked. That sucks. He did get some kills though. 238, 242. So that's good. It's just unfortunate that he got like snuffed right off the bat. Ah, there goes the rest of the chariots. It sucks. So, Egypt is mostly gone. I mean, Egypt is gone. The African War Elephant Gen is going nuts. There's only 2 left. There's only 1 left. He's getting ganged up on right now pretty good. And then the only other 2 units that we can see that they have are the Galatian Swords and the Galatian Royal Guard, one of which is breaking. And then we still have Numidian light infantry rolling around. We still have these 2 Numidian riders. Yep, going right for the archers. Good one. Gotta stay away from the Thracian warriors though. They do get a bonus against infantry. And then we have Rome finally making their way up. But they're gonna have to walk through. I mean, like, this unit's gonna break immediately. But then we have, like, the oh boy. This will be interesting. I mean, shit, if they lose, they lose. It's just fun to, like, see these massive fucking sally-outs from these guys. It's just ridiculous. And, like, God, if I was the attacking side, I'd be shitting my pants. It's getting sally out on, and then, like, it's especially if it ends up being a successful one, like this one was successful. It is so demoralizing. It really is. I'm surprised that Bactria didn't go with, didn't bring some, wall artillery. Because that would have been key. Could you imagine wall artillery right here from Bactria and just ripping shots right here? Oh my god, that would be beautiful. Facing warriors, gone. They got focused down hard. Ooh, pardon me. Well, Athens and Rome, that's it. And honestly, Athens ain't gonna have a lot. These thorax swords are gonna get torn to shit, probably. Nice. Basically has moved his ballista around. Ooh, he's having it, charged in the rear. And now they can either start to bring units back in, which is what I would do. Especially, get these elephants over here as quickly as you can. You don't want them to catch this. Keep that neutral. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? You should have just... No. You should have just went in. You all, like everything. They have nothing here. You can see that they have nothing here. Oh my god. The light infantry losing some mercenary Thracian warriors, not really surprising. Well, that might be switching. The only reason why I said not surprising is because they had higher numbers, but there we go. Their melee defense is garbage. Oh, well, we got some picked hoplites coming to back them up. Why are these guys wavering? Nice. Look at these long shots. Trying to get some shots off the auxiliary infantry. Oh, what are you doing? Besides something incredibly stupid. He probably, well no, he doesn't see them because they're hidden. They're about to be seen though. Does he like not think, like does he think that this is not guarded? They're gonna get charged in the rear. Rome's general is gone. Oh my god! Look at this. God, they're all getting hung up by one unit of elephants. And again, one unit of elephants holding up 3 units. Another long shot. Did you manage to get any kills? No, not yet. Ooh! Managed to get a couple there. Rome's general still alive, but yeah, he's gone. He's gonna be done soon. Are these guys firing? No fire, no point. There we go. Rome's general is gone. But I'm pretty sure, like, all of these fucking guys have discipline. So, they're not gonna break easy. Athens is inside the settlement. We have 5 minutes and 40 seconds left. Be interesting to see what happens here. Sushak is going for a side charge on the back to the light horse. Honestly, that was odd. I don't know why you wouldn't just go and finish him off, but hey, whatever. So these elephants coming in to crush the picked hoplites and the rest of the units over here. This is going to be dicey at this point now. They don't have much in the way of elephants left. These elephants just racking them up. Rome's actually kind of beaten up here. Athens is the only hope for the attackers, but even still that is going to be dicey at best. Saucy could spin his Bastion Ballista around. Ah, no, he can't actually. They're out. Fuck. Only got 2 guys left, so he can't fire. That sucks. Saucy's Monitor managed to got 9 kills. Looks like they might still have ammo, but I could be wrong. Where are these guys going? Oh, they're chasing after them. So, Rome is pretty much done for here. Honestly, Athens could win this if they play their cards right. So they have just regular archers and Cretans left. And they had quite a few Cretans left, actually. Gotta try and get these elephants to go nuts. Minutes and 35 seconds left. It's got to be a mass rout either way. One side or the other, I think, is how it's going to end. Because Athens has too many troops left for 2 minutes. I think they can potentially hold on for 2 minutes, especially since they're using their archers right now to fire. And their archers definitely have plenty of ammo. Bactria has to engage. Otherwise, they're just going to keep getting shot at, and those archers are going to get obliterated.
Find your targets!
Game of Cav. Going to come around. Looks like maybe they get a rear charge into hoplites or Thorax hoplites, or maybe even into the mercenary Thracian warriors, one or the other.
As you say, double time!
Patron roll cap charging in. Oh, hurry up. We're going to sneak by, sneak by. Oh, it's coming through. Hot trample. Yeah. Keep going, charge. Charge right into him. No! Ah, it's unfortunate. This green archer's going after Seleucus' general. Oh, they dismounted. Why did they dismount? Man. Athens is done for. 410, 253.
Find your targets!
880. Holy fucking shit, dude. Wow. I have never seen an elephant unit in any online battle with that many fucking kills. Personally, I'm sure others have, but I sure as shit have never seen that many. Like, Jesus Christ, man. Oh, please. Please make it to 1,000. Please. Please. Oh, you fuck. You fuck. Please. I know he probably didn't, but please. Oh, my God. Okay. So, we'll start with Star Killer here. Ah, 942. Oh, so close. 2,409 kills for Star Killer 556. 273 for his Agamacab General. 283 for the Indian Armored Elephants. 942 for the Mercenary Syrian Armored Elephants. 942. Damn. 410 and 21 for the Indian War Elephants. 167, 37, 45, 28, and 203 for the Light Cav. Eric with 117, 17. 84 for his gen, 185, 82, 245, 207, 59, 81, and 116 for his armored desert chariots. Again, I think he got gypped on those siege galleys because he should have. Some of these units should have so many more kills. But I guess the siege galleys kind of like glitched that out somehow. I'm gonna have to ask, or if one of you know the answer, if you'll drop in the comments below, let me know. 114, 70, and 159 for the Numidian Riders. Well done there, actually, because these guys don't usually get, not all the time at least. They don't always get triple digits. The 97, 45, 89, 71, and 13 for the Numidian Light Infantry. Billy T. Sherm with 1,825 kills. 0 for his general, because he just didn't have to do anything. Sat on top of the hill and laughed maniacally as his cavalry units went about their dirty work. 437 for the Indian Armored Elephants, 291 and 645 for the Indian War Elephants, 164 for the Bactrian Royal Cav, 61 for the Bactrian Noble Horse, and then 115, 16, 25, 45, and 26 for the Bactrian Light Horse. King Slayer, 1,180 kills, 26 for his general, Elephant General, 1771 for the Egyptian Cav, 121 for his side chariots, so nice there. 36, 10, 16, 5 for his archers. They just got wrecked. 155 for the Glacial Royal Guard, 87, 26, 15, 88, 70, 97, 85, 62, 74, and 66 for the Galatian Swords. Commando Jenkins with, I'm sorry, I'm laughing at you. 546 kills, 62 for his gen, 2 and 1 for his archers. Excuse me. 31 and 18 for his Cretans. 11, 5, and 8 for his hoplites. 0 and 12 for the light hoplites. 107, 30, and 99 for the mercenary Thracians. 0 for the militia hoplites. 6 and 71 for the picked hoplites, and then 23, 26, and 34 for the thorax swords, and then Dargs with he didn't bring any archers. Wow, with 182 kills. Oh man, it's just fucking like how did you not get any with your? Well, all right, 1 for his general, 24, 6, and 54 for the Socioiacates. 6, 2, 0, and 0 for the auxiliary infantry. This is don't bring spears for Rome. It's not worth it. Maybe like 1 or 2, but to bring 4 is just no. To bring 5, I'm sorry, to bring 5 is no. 7, 6, 1, 16, 8, 11, and 5 for the legionary cohort. 17, 18 for the Praetorians, and then 0 for the Vigiles. Like Jesus Christ, man, 942 kills. Fuck me, bro. Shit. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. I know I enjoyed this one. If you guys didn't enjoy this one, then I'm suing you. That's going to be it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out.